Hey everybody, Tyler here, Brad Deary. Hope you're all having a good day so far. I just wanted to take the time to show you guys Ram's multi-function tailgate. Absolutely love that they started to do this. So of course you can open it normal style, just like every truck. It does have the easy release, so it's not going to slam down, help save the life of the tailgate itself. But if you flip your hand over, there is a button right here, so you can open it from the side, which actually gives you more access towards the back of the bed, so easier to get to, stuff like that. And then of course you can open this side as well. One nice thing about this is you can actually leave either side open, so if you want to have some 4x2s, hanging out in here or something like that, you can close this so they're a little bit more secure in there. And then of course you can do vice versa. And to close it up, you just do that one first. And there you go. That's Ram's multifunction tailgate. If you guys have any questions, let me know.